Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
It won't give me money. And the anti-crana also a creative fake account, and it's because you are jealous of the person. My point of me yes, Mark Brown. I want person Yankupon share me to say Mark Brown. What I'll do is I'll tap into her blessing and wish well say Yankupon family Drusa. I won't create fake account and go under Mark Brown's post and be insulted because I mean yeah no can discover it won't do anything. Do you understand? Yeah, man, who ya no be a bayi. It won't help, my dear. Time I would near break. Also, did you be at the man? What have you achieved? What have you done for yourself? Because me na yedi matem na ya odeno. Sebi, you are nowhere near me. So why don't you pray and wish well for yourself? So be did matem na ya oda etare ho ana. It won't do anything. It won't do anything. And now Thursday, me say now me crowd. So I want to motivate my fans. I believe in say you won't follow me. Entino say me was sebi I drink a krabi. I want to share with you guys. I'm sorry I'm driving. I can't read comments, but I can talk. Me call Instagram police set. So I don't have any sin today, but I'm going to check if everything is Obitifia or not so accurate account now on the wash. Say so omo create account didi atevno. Ye ho nkofo no omo jealousy and say so omo kope omo asem omo post ade ye ho nkofo no like in the first. Adentia. Ontimi anya de wa ye ni bi say wo koka de wo town ne ho. Are you serious? Say so omo say fake account bi post ade wo hu ni pa. Na ni bre wo no like in the first. Now like here e di bi bre wa na. Oh like here, oh like fake account say ya circle obi bibi, ya post obi bibi didi na tem. Me jina me feel is lego na me try picture no. Na wo a wo didi atem no te hin na wo comment. Me ko kan yese menye. O te hin. Wa sitting mu te sen. E na wo comment. Didi obi atem woni poster say. Na wo na wo share them na also the audience say fake account ya dey na I like it. Fake account ya dey no I like it. Because I'm asking you improvements be na dey beba our life. Ebe yo bibi ana. Se fake account posti yem fa ne se me ma de. Na wo first na wo ye me hu nipa na odi me kana ko me aso ke. Me busa say eye wo den. It's not bringing me down. It's not doing anything to me. So why don't you put a stop to it? Now won't pay bibi for wabra bonye. Do something with your life. Do something. You and what the fake account echo can my time, you know. It won't do anything. The reason why I came life is and you say be am who be na have no media. I am a young man, so we waste your time. What time I will hold day I will hold day I won't queen instead of you to use it to make something worth. Udi heti uyemba. Are you serious? Oh, you serious? What will be a one make you a braboma? Wako fake account be a like you be our posted. Aje wo. Na masuma wana. Ena make us say me na wo ya me no. Me ti me fie ena me twa picture. Me am fie me rent you. Na wo so I'm not. This is not going direct to my fans. This is going direct to Omo Mudi Award for no reason. What bompa yesa and a Tracey Boakye and a Yamin Trianica and a Tracey Boakye and Pabonini and a Tracey Boakye into Unyami Woniho. Why is your God not minding you? Ask yourself that question. A din tina wunyan coupon. Nyankopon ye nyina ye sufre ne ye kɔ yenkotodwa anim. You welcome. Ye kɔ yenkotodwa anim bompa ye kyerɛ no no. Why does it listen to some of us but will say on few? Because me I haven't done anything to you. Me secret and then me demand me followers. Me say me I don't think about anybody. I don't even have the time. Insha papa, I see Tracy only ne kase o free hana ni refi. Me just me baby I'm adwene da no. Me ma adwene na ye sika o. How to work and make money na ye me sika o. Okay? You betimi ama me 1,000 Ghana. You betimi ama obi a o di me ho ya also 1,000 Ghana. I can make good use of the 1,000 Ghana or no obe waste 1,000 Ghana. Ask me why. Onim management. Now instead of say sebe obe ben ye mu bi. Na ya che no say ukweska. Fire bibi mfa so ba na bia de bia ye say na ye nkreska at once and din boom sa. If you do that you will always fail. O fail so so obi a wa making no wani bre no. No, you don't do that. O failure obi a wa making no wani bre no. Adentin na say wo feri mpo say wo be ben me na wo be ben obi a. Me da me ho obi a make me ben no me busa no. I am not shy. Because me person me yet to say nipa kro. The person me yet to say nipa kro. Diamond Apia came on my set. Obi a wo betwa me sini ask her enkomo a me ni di. Sis, oh yeah, saying how did you It's not about a fear na bibi but me person and then Thursday. I'm a Thursday born. Just talk to those who will listen. Sebi we obi so awde wa adwen beto form a obo hu say sebi me Kenyan sase. So obi wa ade na ope bia hu going behind a fake account to insult no, it will not take it from the person. Put it in your mind. It will not take it from the person. Unso obi aposti obi no odidi na tema na wani age. Why? Because only bi no obi wo bi na wani bre no to obi didi na tem. Na wani na age no, is it going to take the thing from nipa na wani bre no? It won't. And Jim free nipa nsem. So why don't you put negativity aside? Ade na won ya dream boni free with him na won hwe de nyame be ya ma. Why don't you believe in God? Why don't you say obey your dream boni every team steady will life? Wa when me aje for fake account name one mushishe fake account again steady your life. Either say oh bobra na on ujina fa kwa na utiko ochi. You can never go forward. Ah, na de nyame ni ho. Ubon se waya. Se dan bi na wo han ya, ubon se watena dan ni mu for over 8 years, 10 years. Adentia, you are Nyankopon person push you, but one kasa we si ade na no kwan. You don't want God to bless you. Because what do you everyone dress you trimu bare na wadwen no sa. Why? Mesi busa wo ho say adan na nipa da bia wo boni di nya mentua ne ka me dome o den na Nyankopon so go so hia nipa no. Have you asked yourself why? Nipa ni nye wo boni. Nipa ni nye wo hwe o. say wa dream boni a wo dream no no nti na Nyankopon fi wa ogu so a wo hira nipa ko ade nti nyame ni ho nti won tie wo Bible yi nipa ho adwen boni fi wuti wo ho na bie kwan na Nyankopon enhira wo. Let God bless you. Don't stop God's blessing by thinking negatives for somebody. Busa ho say 4 years ago. What a family example. Family amiti here, family example. Now my brother to sing. 4, 3 years, 2 years, year ago, whatever. How was I and how am I now? Meaning social media ya did you be at more than media, I don't know. But me the me when say media any day. Hey. Mo na mo Nyankopon gu so a wo share me gidigidi o. You are the ones doing it. Because sometimes I dare be to me by my brother, me to me nya dey me say how? Then I will know say obi bibi oye Nyankopon e di mama bibi. Ufiti heti and what have you achieved? And ne oda jene asema making. Since I started hating on Tracey, since I started posting Tracey Boakye, since I started saying negative things about Tracey, no. Meso dia na meso nyame ayama me na dia na aba ma brabom. Think about that. And ne oda jene eno ho. Onia position a obi was say o pe bia on. And dream and makutia and chantro and tuni paso. And chantro and tuni paso. Because unya nipa na unya na obeyo. Mimi tiwe. They said Diamond Appear was on my set. Obecha series o but busane nkoma me ni ji. But one can be creative fake account. Nka who did Diamond.
Okay, so being a lover of women.